You're listening to Spacebasemars, an improvised podcast recorded live over Zoom. So sit back and relax as Cambridge Improv Factory presents Spacebasemars.
Commander's log. Hat, fedora. The crew's priority for today has been made very clear. For the last 2 days, a beeping noise has been distracting me and the rest of the crew severely. The time has come to find and eliminate the beep.
I have searched this place high and low. I have looked behind the lychee replicator. I've looked behind the warming oven and underneath the washing basin. And there's nothing here. I can clear the beeping. It's not coming from anywhere.
I know. And I've asked everyone on Twitter, and they don't know anything about it. And Instagram, nothing. Facebook, nothing. At this point, I'm desperate enough. I might go to Google. Could you imagine? Jesus.
Well, if you could actually just look around the room, that would help. That'd be a start, Jerry.
Okay.
Well, Jerry is head of social media for the entire space base, so it is reasonable for him to use his speciality.
What, to find a beeping that's inside the base?
Hang on, let me see if Snapchat's got a filter for this. Maybe that'll help.
What, a beeping filter? What on earth are you talking about?
Is that something that it has, Jerry?
I don't know. Well, it can tell me the temperature, so it's got to be able to do noise, right? It's amazing what technology can do.
Is there such a thing as noise temperature?
No, that's not a thing.
Are you sure? Are you sure though?
I'm very sure that is not a thing.
But how sure?
Okay, well, it's good that we're eliminating these options, because once one has eliminated the impossible, the improbable, no matter whatever remains, is what it is. So the improbable thing, I suppose, in this case is that there's no such thing as noise temperature. Is that correct?
I mean, it sounds unrealistic to me.
Okay, well, I think we're making progress.
The idea that there couldn't be noise temperature sounds unrealistic.
What do you think, Mike? We're making progress?
Yeah, do your research, Mike.
Alejandro, can I hide here in this cupboard? Because that beeping is driving me so insane that this is the furthest away I've been able to get from it. So I'm just gonna I bought a duvet and I'll be in here.
Yeah, Violet, it seemed like it is not a question you ask. It seemed like you are telling, not asking.
That is absolutely correct. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm in this cupboard.
Okay, I mean...
If you need me, but really, if you need me, don't call, because I think I'm going to shoot something or kill somebody if this beeping keeps going, so...
Oh, no.
Yeah.
You hear it too, huh? I was starting to think...
You thought that was in your head?
I was starting to think it was just me. I was going to speak with doctor.
Oh.
It's relief. I feel better.
Well, okay. Great. Glad it helped.
Could I make a suggestion, please, Violet?
Yes.
Perhaps hide in that cupboard over there instead. That one has nothing sharp in, and this one is very danger.
I mean, I take comfort in the danger, but okay, fair enough.
Well, perhaps I direct you to third cupboard, which is partial danger. It has things that don't work quite well and spark a bit when I switch them on. So you never know, it's unpredictable.
Sounds like a lot of broken shit, but okay. I'll go in there.
Excellent. I will not talk to you again. As you ask.
Good. Yeah.
Oh, Commander.
Gordon.
Sorry, I've been up and down the corridors just looking for you and seeing if I can locate the beep.
And Gordon, have you found the beep?
In a word, no. But I wondered if I might suggest something. It's a little bit off the wall, so...
Not another of your fruit salads, is it?
Oh, no. That would be further. That'd be past the wall and probably down the garden, right down the end of the garden, near the shed, probably.
I don't like fruit salads, okay? I just want to establish that.
You don't like fruit salads?
No. Oh, okay, I'm glad we've got this out, because...
Well, I don't think I've ever met anybody in the whole wide person place where I've... Where were we? Mars. Oh, yes. I don't think... I haven't met anybody on Mars that doesn't like a fruit salad.
Well, Gordon, maybe you have. I don't like fruit salads.
Wow. And just to think I was getting to know you.
Right. Gordon, why did you come and see me?
Ah, yes, the beeping. Well, I thought, before, I'll tell you this, probably don't know. Before I was interested in rocks, I was something of an amateur musician. And I was just wondering if I could possibly maybe turn the beeping into some sort of song, maybe some sort of song for you.
A song for the bass? A song for boosting morale for spacebasemars?
Not necessarily everybody. No, just possibly just for you.
Well, Gordon, fundamentally in spacebasemars, we're all in this together, aren't we?
We are, sir. We are.
My priority is the morale of the crew. And I must admit, this beeping is causing some problems for the morale of the crew. So if you do have the musical skill to take this beep, which is a challenge and a threat to us all, and integrate it into something of beauty, then I commend you on that idea.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll go away and have a think about it. Did you say threat?
Well, it's probably a threat to our emotional well-being, I would say.
Oh, okay. Yes, I understand. Yes. Well, if I can turn that into something of a beautiful thing that you will enjoy forever in your dreams, then...
What concern I do have, Gordon, maybe you can reassure me here, is that perhaps the thing that's beeping could be an important thing that shouldn't be beeping.
Wow, Commander. I can see why you're the commander.
No, Jerry, it does not make sense that this corridor is 10 degrees noisier than the previous one.
I mean, I'm doing what Snapchat tells me, and it says that this is 10 degrees noisier. It's got to be down here somewhere.
I've measured the temperature in centigrade, and it is the same as the other corridor.
I have to say, a lot of people are commenting on the Snapchat saying that there's this guy, he's called The Vision, the all-seeing eye, the coalition of knowledge, true power in the United States. They're all saying things like it's completely impossible for things to actually beep in space, and they seem like scientists, so I'm going to believe them.
Look, let's just, for the sake of argument, accept that your Snapchat noise degree filter is a thing. Where is it pointing to?
Well, it's saying that down at the end of the corridor in that vent over there that is it's a real hot spot. I've turned on noise temperature thermal imaging now, so I get a color palette, and it's saying that's the place.
Well, let's go then.
All right.
Knock knock. Violet.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry again.
What?
I hate to keep to. But I needed to get the pod to try and look at replicator. Maybe we can make other than lychee.
Okay, yeah, I mean, that does annoy me just as much as the beeping, so, yeah, fine. I'll just muffle my ears with this big duvet thing.
Okay.
You just shout if you need me.
Okay. Violet?
What?
Violet.
Yeah.
Are you okay? Like, normally you react to a problem with punch. Now you are hide. You seem unlike you.
I'm trying to be a better person.
Huh. Okay.
Yeah, last time I punched someone when, things got mad, it didn't go down well.
I know. I forgive you, by the way. My arm still hurt, but you are forgiven.
Yeah, the bruise looks good, though. It gives you, you look all manly with a big black eye.
Thank you. I intentionally not have shades, so it's easy to see.
Yeah, shades make it harder to see. Yeah. Well, I'm sorry about punching you that time.
Fine. That is kindest word you ever say to...
Okay, don't tell anyone else that then.
Oh, okay. I was going to speak with many, but this is secret.
I don't know.
A secret.
Yeah, I don't want people to see me hiding in a duvet in a cupboard, because I lose my credibility.
Oh, should I have turned off camera then?
You're filming? You're filming this?
Security camera, secure for kids.
Come here. Where's your other eye?
It's just there. It's just in
Come
the
here.
corner. Ah!
Okay, so how does one go about reducing the noise temperature of the corridor?
Wow, my ears are hot. Are your ears as hot as mine? God. Oh.
No, my ears are the normal temperature.
What's the normal temperature? Is it cold? Because mine are hot.
22.5 degrees room temperature.
What's the dangerous level of exposure to noise temperature? There's a dangerous level of exposure to regular temperature, and that's like, hot. Like if it's too hot, then you sweat. So what? Are my ears sweating? But like inside? I don't know. Oh, Mike. Oh, I'm out of my depth. Oh, I should have never got involved in science, Mike.
Well, look. Let's just get this panel off. Here we go. It is the noise temperature alarm. Apparently, the corridor is too high a noise temperature.
Oh, well, thank God we caught it before it got to dangerous levels. Otherwise, what?
What does that? What does it even mean?
I mean, you're the scientist. You tell me.
Captain.
Gordon.
Do you hear that?
No.
Exactly. I only got to the end of the first verse, and damn it if it's not stopped.
It's gone.
Yes.
Did you stop it, Gordon?
No, it's nothing to do with me. I wanted to go on forever.
Alejandro, what are you doing here? Alejandro, why are you wearing shades?
I have a very hangover. I drink too much drink. Everything is fine.
Isn't it harder to see in shades?
Is hard to see anyway when you really think about it. I have to go to security room and do something. I very not sketch. I must go. Go. Yes, goodbye.
It's very hard to see. Is it very hard to see when you think about it, Gordon? I never thought about it. Really?
Well, yes.
I feel like it's fairly easy to see. Mike.
Yes.
Thank goodness you're here. Mike, have you noticed the beeping stop, Mike?
Yes. I think you've been sold some duff sensors. Something called a noise temperature alarm is going off because the corridor was too high a noise temperature.
Noise temperature?
Well, we talked about this earlier, Mike, didn't we? Noise temperature is a well-known thing that I thought there might be.
So that's why you bought noise temperature alarms for every corridor in the place. You've been done. You realise you've been done.
Well, now I look back on it, I suppose it's an idea I had before, actually. Yeah, and I think perhaps I did order some noise temperature alarms. Yes. Well, that's very forward-thinking of me. So you're saying then that the noise temperature is just too high?
No, there's no such thing as noise temperature. It's just a thing. It's just a box that goes beep. Look, I can turn it on. Beep. Turn it off again.
Oh, I can feel it in my ears already. It's too high.
Oh, could I borrow that box? And I'd be able to finish my song.
Yeah, you can have it as far as I'm concerned. I'm gonna go around all the corridors to get rid of all these blasted noise temperature alarms. You can have them all if you like.
Well, Mike, on your head be it.
Dear report diary thing, Swiss apple kumquats. I confess I've been thinking about kittens again. Trying not to. That duvet was really comfy. And I punched Alejandro again. But he kind of looks cool in shades, so I think there's a win-win there.
This episode of Spacebasemars was improvised by Alex Wilber, Alan Hay, Sean Keoghan, Hugh Clark, Vaughan Allanson, and Kate Madison. All episodes are recorded live via Zoom. You can follow us on social media at spacebasemars. If you enjoyed that episode, please consider leaving us a review wherever you get your podcasts. Reviews help us find a wider audience and they really help us out. So from me and the team, thank you for listening, and we'll see you on the next episode of Space Base Mars.